My name is Scott Kaplan. Thank you for your service. My question is, where are our local prosecutors? Should we be angry that district attorneys, elected district attorneys, and the elected attorney general rarely bring public these cases, and also police misconduct cases? It always seems to be the feds that hold our elected officials accountable.
No, I don't think you should be angry. I can only speak about the work that we do, and I don't know what kinds of leads other offices get. I don't know what kinds of priorities other offices have. The Manhattan District Attorney and I get along very well, and he's, I think, a terrific prosecutor and has done a lot of important cases, as has the State Attorney General. Significant public prosecutions, public corruption prosecutions, as well as financial prosecutions. So I can't really speak to that, and sometimes we work on things and investigate things together. So I have no complaints.
Hello, Mr. Bharara. I have a question. A lot of people were inspired by your office dedicating a team of prosecutors to look at Rikers Island and, make recommendations for reform. Given the larger debate building on Scott's question about the city looking at the city examining problems with police brutality and police officer-involved killings, couldn't your office also dedicate a team of prosecutors to examine the NYPD and make recommendations?
Yeah, thank you for complimenting the work of the office with respect to Rikers Island. I think people don't always appreciate that we do all sorts of cases, and that our obligation is to uphold the law and enforce the law, not just against people who are rank and file citizens who break the law, but also against the law enforcers themselves. And we have a very proud record of doing that. As I have said on other occasions, you hate to do it and it breaks your heart, but since I've been the U.S. Attorney, 20 police officers have gone to prison for various crimes. We have sent FBI agents to prison for committing crimes, and so those are forms of public corruption, which is part of what we're talking about today. So there's nothing more important than that. With respect to the New York City Police Department, I think my sense is that there are a lot of people looking at that. There's now, an inspector general. There are court decrees. There's a continuing court case. There have been times when the Southern District of New York and some other U.S. Attorney's Office in the Eastern District of New York some years ago thought it made sense to take a deeper look because of things that were going on. And if that ever happens, we don't hesitate to do so. I had a great relationship with Ray Kelly. I have a great relationship with Commissioner Bratton. I think they're both unbelievably strong and good and smart and thoughtful and caring public servants. That doesn't mean that there's not sometimes bad things that go on there. And Commissioner Kelly acknowledged that when he had to, and Commissioner Bratton acknowledges that. And if there ever comes a time, as I said before, we're not scared of anybody, and we look at our partners as partners, but when they cross the line, we take appropriate action there also. But I thank you for your comment.